to show you how to move the vehicle if you are in park and you cannot start the vehicle. In my case, I need to move my car to the side. So just every vehicle has covers. Some of them has like buttons on the side, but in GLK 350 and other Mercedes, you can just pull this thing off, and there's a button right here. You can push it, and when you push it, you can put the vehicle in the neutral. So right now the vehicle is in neutral and can move. It's very easy to move your vehicle if you're gonna push the tire. It's very easy. Not the vehicle itself, but the tire. Even women can do that. So in my case, I need to spin the wheel. Thank you for watching.